Hi everyone, if you have a BMW ignition coil that looks like this and is not ejecting the wiring harness when you lift up the cap, I have two suggestions for you. But first, let's understand what's going on here. If you look at the bottom rear corner of the cap, there's this nub here that is supposed to push the wiring connection out when you lift. So the issue that's going on is that the plastic cap is bending outward and going around the connection instead of pushing it out. Knowing this, the first method is to simply squeeze down firmly at the bottom rear where the nub is and lift the cap. This will prevent the cap from bending around and out. If this doesn't work, get a thin flathead into the connection gap and give it a twist. Then you can try using the cap again to push it further out or just pull it out yourself. I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching.